Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy Android tip that's perfect for 2025. The video title is 573, How to See When Contact Was Added on Android, 2025, and if you've ever wondered about the history of your contacts, this one's for you. Maybe you're decluttering your phone or just curious about when you first connected with someone. Let's get right into it. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest software, as features can vary. Start by opening the Contacts app. That's the one with the little phone icon, usually on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you can't find it, just search for Contacts in your phone's search bar. Once you're in the Contacts app, locate the contact you're interested in. You can scroll through the list or use the search function at the top to type in the name. For example, if you're looking for your friend Alex, just type Alex and hit enter. Now, tap on the contact's name to open their details page. Here's the key part. In 2025, Android has made it easier to access contact history. Scroll down on the contacts page until you see a section labeled Contact Info or Details. Look for an option that says Added on or Date Added. If it's not immediately visible, tap on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and select View History or More Info. This should display the exact date and time when the contact was added to your device. If you're using Google Contacts synced with your account, you might need to go online. Open the Google Contacts website on your phone's browser, sign in, and find the contact there. It often shows more detailed history. Remember, this feature might depend on your device manufacturer, like Samsung or Google Pixel. So if it's not showing up, check your settings under Accounts in your phone's settings menu. And there you have it. You've now uncovered when that contact was added. This can be a game changer for organizing your contacts or even for nostalgia. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.